everything that has gone down the drain, including our work, our hard work, our timing, everything has gone down the drain.
जो भी हम लोग आज सेल करेंगे वो आज के दिन पे it has to be finished off. नहीं तो हम शाम को ही we send it to an NGO and they distribute it in the slum area.
Our business has been shut since the beginning of the lockdown.
I'm one of those unlucky people, you would say, that whose cafe was supposed to open right during the pandemic. The date of my cafe opening was on 3rd of April.
My bakery was shut down only for a week, but I had to face some major losses as the shelf life of our bakery items is very less, and we had to throw all the leftover items after a week.
If we talk about the before and after of the lockdown, I think our business has done around 10% is now from the early times.
लॉकडाउन में जो हमारा माल बना हुआ था वो पेरिशेबल आइटम होता है, वो लॉन्ग लास्टिंग नहीं होता। तो हमने जैसे ही शट डाउन हुआ 21 दिन का, हमने अगले दिन ही वो सब मिठाई जो है या तो NGOs में दे दी या गरीबों में बंटवा दी।
Well, we did try to keep our delivery open for the initial few days, but the number of orders were not even enough to cover up our operational expenses, let alone the fixed costs.
Mental pressure, staff unavailability, and even unavailability of raw materials.
अगर हम कहें कि हम बिजनेस वो पुरानी सिचुएशन में आएगा for this year, I don't think it's a good way of thinking. We have to be positive and we have to be just safe till the end of this year, and we have a long life for doing business and something.
A lot of our staff has already gone home, and this isn't because they weren't having a place to stay or they weren't getting food to eat, but simply because of the worry of of themselves and their families.
I had a staff of 40-45 people right before when the cafe was opening, and now I only have a staff of 4 to 5 people. This is also because it is not easy to maintain a staff with high salaries. Till the time you don't get something, you cannot give.
We will not be able to give salaries to all of them, and we will have to keep staff at a lower wage.
At a time like this, we need to focus on a lot of things like hygiene, staff taking all the necessary precautions, noting down their temperatures.
So we are taking many much precautions against it, and gloves, and वो तो पहले भी था, but sanitization going on regular basis.
Well, we are hoping for things to improve a lot and be back to normal as much as possible. But if this is the new normal, a lot of things are going to change for the industry.
This year is a good year for making profits. This is not a year for profits. This is the year to make our survival best.
We have been asking for some support from our landlords, and we are paying them however we can and as much as we can. Well, the whole industry is suffering due to this and has been asking the government for some help on this matter, but there has been no relief yet.
It will take time to be on track for the business, but yeah, we are happy we are back in operations now.